All right, today is March 14th, or 3.14, otherwise known as Pi Day, right? Sure, we could all use a lesson in math, but we'd rather actually eat pie. So here on the Your Morning Kitchen is Mary Berg. She's gonna help us with my 3 kids. This is Libby, Annabelle, and Maxim. We are all here to help you in the kitchen.
Guys, this is the best day ever. I've never had this many helpers in the kitchen.
Oh, so good.
And they've already nailed it on rolling pie dough.
Oh, good.
So
put you to work when you get home.
I was gonna say, you've got a good team here.
Awesome.
So you guys are off school right now, right? It's March break in Ontario. So what have you been up to?
We've seen movies, we've sleeping. And we've been playing with our friends.
Amazing.
Skoka.
Okay, and on March break, are you always kind of looking for things to do? Or when your kids are home, even on the weekends and stuff like that?
Yeah.
So, being Pie Day, I thought we could do morning, noon, and night pie.
Amazing.
Because pie's really fun to do because you can play with dough, essentially, kind of like modeling clay.
And put good stuff in it.
Good stuff, and then you get to eat it. So I've done here a morning and day pie.
Okay.
So we've got quiche, which is the classic morning pie, in my opinion.
Yours looks good, Mary Berg.
It
There's
is.
chunks of bacon and stuff.
I've called it breakfast pie. Do you guys like quiche?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. If you want to taste test, because I need to know if it's actually approved.
You want to pass this down to your bro?
Yep.
Thank you.
That would be perfect.
Anna, you gonna have some?
Yep.
All right, Libby Lou. There you go.
Okay,
Take a bite.
let's see if it's good. Don't worry, we good.
How's it taste?
This was the best thing I've ever had. I didn't get it.
It's kid approved.
Okay, let's see.
It was so good.
There's some potato in there. It's got basically everything you want in breakfast. Okay, perfect.
Oh, yeah,
I
Mary
love
Berg,
it.
it's
I like
great.
that we're using the pie dough for the placemat. I'm really super into that, actually. No, I genuinely am. I think it's great. But then for midday pie, guys, do you like pizza?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
and-
a pizza.
And in my opinion, pizza is a pie.
Of course, pizza pie.
And in particular, Chicago deep dish style pizza pie.
gorgeous.
Because you do it in you can do it in a pie dish or you can do it in a springform pan. So here we've got a classic Chicago style deep dish pie. And have you guys ever had that before?
I haven't.
No.
So it's like a pie or a pizza, but upside down. So you do the crust, and then you fill it with cheese, as much cheese as you want.
Oh.
And then you put the toppings in, and then you put the sauce on
That
top.
sounds good.
It's so
Really
good.
good.
We'll leave that after, but I think we got to make some pie now.
Oh, I'm
'Cause it's
excited.
Pie Day, so I think we need to make actual pie.
I like it.
Yeah.
You've made the dough with them ahead of time.
Yes, so we've made the dough. It's just a classic dough with flour and butter and a little bit of sugar. And this one's good for lattice tops because it's got an egg in it, so it makes it a little more structured.
Ah, okay.
So we're gonna get this all rolled out. So give it a good roll for me. There you go.
Nice.
Nailed it. That was perfect. Okay, and I've got here kind of a dish. You can use a baking sheet if you'd like, and this is my trick.
Can I hold
Emery.
something for you?
Yes, that would be
Yeah.
great if you hold this.
Okay.
Is what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll this up
Okay.
onto here.
Oh, yeah,
So it doesn't
then
break.
So it doesn't
Smart.
break. Pick it all up.
Here you go.
Put it in.
And then stick her
Unroll
on
it.
in. And this is messy. To be honest, I think the uglier the pie, the better it tastes.
Then it
because
looks more homemade.
it looks more homemade.
More love in it.
Exactly. And then we just kind of fit this in, press it up the sides.
Okay.
Make it a mess if you want, because let's be
And then
honest,
this is what I love about pie. You can just rip off an edge and fill it in.
Exactly. It's perfect.
Like the Borg, it all
and
joins.
it's exactly. And now we've got here, this is the lattice top of the pie. So you're working on the fun part of the pie, in my opinion.
And you can use the same dough, correct?
Same dough,
All
and
right.
it's perfect. So basically, you just do this big dough, and then you split it up. And we've got cookie cutters. So instead of doing a woven lattice, which can be tricky, you can cut out whatever the heck shape you want. But
Oh,
since
fun.
it's Pie Day, I like 3.14, 159. 2654. But
Wow,
if
very
you,
Berg.
I like my pie. But if you want, you can do teddy bears, you can do whatever the heck you want. So if you want to cut out some shapes, you
What
do.
do I think you want to use?
Oh, I do it
Then-
there.
We need a filling, am I right, guys?
Yes.
Do you like strawberries?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you like raspberries?
Yes.
Do you like peaches?
Yes.
Perfect, we've got that here. So here is the beautiful filling, and we're gonna mix into that some sugar, some cornstarch, and a bit of seasonings and deliciousness, like some cinnamon and stuff. So give it a good old mix.
And that'll get the syrup going.
Exactly.
Nice.
And the cornstarch helps make it a little
I'll do
thicker,
it.
so it doesn't
ooze out when
ooze
you
out.
cut it.
Exactly. So give it a
Brilliant.
really good in there. You're nailing it.
I don't want anything to spill.
No, just
It's
mash
okay,
it and
spilling is good.
explode.
Messy is
Just
good.
do it.
Just do it.
You're right, Libs. Just do it.
So basically, all we do after that, here, do you want me to go the little good mix?
Gonna get that bottom stuff to the top.
You're nailing
that's
it.
smart.
This is perfect. And again, once it bubbles away, it's gonna be absolutely perfect.
Whoa.
Like
This is what
splash
mom
it
would-
around.
This is what my mom would do. She'd be like, "You're gonna make a mess. I'm gonna do this."
Yeah.
This way you're
And then all we need to do now, if you mind if I take
Wait, yeah,
this?
yeah.
So we put this in the beautiful, perfect pie
Oh,
dough.
that looks
Woohoo.
glossy and good.
Dump 'em
Mary
all
Berg.
in.
Yum.
Then we top it with our shapes. So do you have any shapes that are already cut out?
Let's pop those out of the dough. Yeah.
Great job.
did forward.
No, I love it.
I think you did the forward.
I love it. I think it's perfect.
That's a
We got a
blobby
teddy bear, so all we do is
Teddy
place
bear.
that on top, bake that in the oven.
3. We like the number 3 in our
And
house.
guys, we got pie now. Do you want to dig into
4.
pie?
Yeah, pop that over.
But like, let's
Ooh,
just
Mary,
dig
let's
into
try
the whole
this.
pie.
Guys,
Do you want pie?
All right, when you get ready to do that, reminder, you're going to find all these recipes on yourmorning.ca. What's the website? Yourmorning.ca. You got
Nailed it, guys.
Yeah.
They're gonna be quiet for hours.
I'm gonna try some of this while we head to our next commercial break. Coming up next on Your Morning.
Friday.
Oh, it's good.